Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hello everybody, how are you all? In this video, we will be learning about parts of the body, las partes del cuerpo. Let's get started. So, head in Spanish is called cabeza, hair is called pelo, forehead is called frente, face is called cara, eyebrow is called ceja, eyes are called ojos, nose is called nariz, ears are called orejas, teeth are called dientes, mouth is called boca, suelo is called neck, hombre is called shoulder, espalda is called back, codo is called elbow, hand is called mano, fingers are called dedos, and arm is called brazo. The forearm is called antebrazo, wrist is called muñeca, and the palm is called palma, just like we have it in English. Chest is called pecho. These are basically, if I have to divide, are the upper body parts in Spanish. Now let's talk about the lower body parts in Spanish. Stomach is called estomago, cintura is called waist, belly button is called ombligo, abdomen is called same abdomen, buttock or hip is called nalga, knee is called rodilla, leg is called pierna, foot is called pie, heel is called talon, toe is called dedo del pie. So in all, we have learned today in total close to 30 body parts. Now stay tuned for the upcoming lesson, which is on vegetables. Follow our Instagram handle for more Spanish content for Spanish facts, cuisines, fun contests and much more. Don't forget to like, share and press the bell icon so that you don't miss the next lesson. Gracias!